And for the first time in nearly 3 decades, Delhi University is set to expand its campus with the establishment of Veer Savarkar College in Najafgarh. Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone for the college yesterday. Now, this event is part of a broader initiative, with the Prime Minister also unveiling 2 other major projects for DU, a new academic block at the Eastern Campus in Suraj Mal Vihar and another at the Western Campus in Dwarka.
You just mentioned will be Veer Savarkar College. What is the reason behind that, and what is the idea?
Reason, Savarkar is Savarkar. Savarkar doesn't need any introduction. And when Delhi University decided this in somewhere in 2021, before my joining, Delhi University decided to start this college, and we are very happy and we are very proud to start this college in the name of Veer Savarkar.
So is it true that the decision was taken in the meeting that was held in the year 2021, or it's a recent decision to name this college?
No, 2021. Decision was taken in 2021, but we are implementing with pride that.
Sir, as far as the name is concerned of the college, the name itself, the individual itself has been always in the controversy.
First of all, I am pained to think about anything about Savarkar, and when you are saying that some people are saying that he is Deshdrohi, it's a very painful statement. The Savarkar is inspiration of young and bright minds of India. Savarkar is Savarkar. Savarkar doesn't need any introduction. He is the great son of India.
Now, this decision has ignited a political firestorm, with the BJP and Congress once again clashing over Savarkar's legacy. The Congress has labelled the move as an attempt to legitimize Savarkar's contested role in the freedom struggle, pointing to his alleged collaboration with British colonial authorities and the contentious nature of his Hindutva ideology.
I oppose it because Savarkar kneeled down before British, and he was on pension of the British given by, and he tendered the apology. What message will go to the students that if they read the history, then their so-called hero had tendered apology not once but 6-7 times. One, and second, that he opposed the Constitution. That means that a person who was opposing this Constitution is going to be declared a hero